my friend, it's really nice to see you. Here's Captain McHaddock, your friend. And this time we will go back to the 80s. This is not the movie Back to the Future. This is the video about Back to the 80s. And here we have this Pac-Man. And first I play this little bit. And then, my friend, I will tell you something about this great game. And now we will play this game. Damn. Another try. Damn. Damn. As you can see, I'm not... As you can see, my friend, I'm not the best player of the Pac-Man. When I was younger, I was a little bit better with this game. And next, my friend, I will tell you about this great game of the 80s, this Pac-Man. Some information to you, my friend. So, wait a second. And my friend, really, this Pac-Man was an arcade game, and it was done by Namco in 1980, and this was a Japanese game, and it was really famous at the 1980s, and it was possible to play with the machines, and you need to put the coin there to the machines and that kind of thing, and it was really famous, and this Pac-Man had a great commercial success, and it was really a really cultural game. And when I was young, I really liked this game, and I played it at the bowling hall. There was a machine, and you needed to just put some coins there, and then you could play this game, and that was 1980s. And now I will show you again this game, and now I think I will play a little bit better, but we will see that what happens. Damn. Okay. Okay, and that was my information this time. See you in the next video. Good night, good evening and morning, and see you, and really see you, my friend.